When I was a medical student and I'd be practicing for my OSCE exams, I used to track my scores on big, elaborate Excel sheets. It's 2023. Can that be automated? One of the great parts of doing your physical exams in virtual reality is that everything you do is tracked so that you can see that you did it. Normally, during test mode, you wouldn't see this list over here, but the system is still tracking what you've done during that exam. So at the end of your exam, when you stop it, you'll be able to see your scores tracked. Okay, my final score, 100%, took me 4 minutes, and I am on a roll. You can see from your task list everything you did and didn't do. Let's say for a second that I missed palpating heaves and thrills. Well, now we've integrated ChatGPT so that you can learn about that. What are the most common diagnoses for thrills felt on the heart?
Thrills felt on the heart are commonly associated with cardiac conditions such as valvular stenosis, ventricular septal defect, and atrial septal defect. Conditions result in abnormal blood flow through the heart chambers, causing vibrations that can be felt as a thrill.